Hey y'all, it's your girl Nye coming to you with a fresh face. Finally on YouTube. We want to moisturize my lips and we can get started. First, I'm going to start off with priming my face with my LA Girl primer. $4, nothing too serious. It's a nice silicone primer. Best thing to use when you're doing something soft. You don't want too much texture on the face. Now we're going to spray the face with our natural finish spray just to give the skin a little refresh. The key to good makeup is a nice, clean, moisturized skin underneath. Alright, so we're going to take our spoolie and we're going to go in and smooth out the brows so that we can have a even, smooth canvas to start off with. I'm going to take my Kiss eyebrow pencil, $2 from the beauty supply store, and we are going to just fill in our brows, mimicking our natural shape. We don't want no caterpillar brows. We don't want no eagle wings. We don't want none of that. We just want something nice and natural. And if you see somebody back there on my bed, it's just my best friend, chilling out with me, doing my video with me, keeping me company. But yeah, we're going to clean up the brows with our Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the color Caramel. And at the top of the brows, to clean it up, I'm going to use my foundation. And I use foundation at the top just so it could be an easier blend rather than trying to blend concealer in, since we're already going to be putting foundation on our face. Next thing we're going to do is just go ahead and blend it right on out. Make sure it looks nice and good, like you can wear it out like that. And then go in to prime our eyes. I use the shade Golden in the Instant Age Rewind Concealer to prime my eyes, only because I like the color of it, and we're going to do something nice and soft and natural. You don't even need a palette for this. I just used it because it was in front of me, but you'll see. So here we are going to take our pressed powder from Black Radiance. This is in the color Honey Glow, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid to kind of set it. It's kind of the same color as my skin complexion, but that's going to be my transition shade for both my crease and my lid. Like how natural that looks, you can leave it like that, but me, I had a palette right in front of me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a few brown shades from my BH Cosmetics palette and put them into my crease and on my lid, and just keep going back and forth with blending. You'll see me go back and forth to a few different powders, but I use face powders and contour powders on a normal for this. And since this is soft glam, we're going to do something real natural on the eyes again. I know some people do cut creases or, you know, something a little more elaborate for their soft glam. But to me, soft glam is just a nice flow of brown colors and all types of nudes and stuff like that. It's just really soft, and it, you know, it's next to basically skin. I'm going back in with that pressed powder to, once again, like I said, blend out and use that as my transition shade. And as you can see, I'm going to go in my contour palette and warm up the crease a little bit more. Once again, you do not probably need a palette to do this eye look. It's too easy. Moving on, I'm going to start to conceal my under eye and any dark spots or acne marks I have. To prepare for my foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the color Classic Tan 335, and I'm just gonna put that on my face and then take my sponge and blend it out.
Spot.
Go back in and add a little bit more. So now I'm going to conceal under my eyes with the shade Golden. Again, forgive me, I'm not starting out right. The shade is a bit yellow. Take warm Hazelnut from Black Radiance to also warm up the face just a little bit more. And as you can see, I'm pushing that powder back into my face to get rid of some of that shine. And I'm going to take the medium deep powder and, brush that all over my face as an all over face powder. Here I am going to take my favorite part, which is my Wet n Wild blush in Mellow Wine, and I'm going to go overboard with the blush, of course, I think this is another thing that helps the soft glam be soft. It gives a nice flush to the face, doesn't do too much. Just go ahead and give your face a spray and get you a fan. I got mine from Dollar Tree. This really helps set the makeup in and keep the face from looking powdery, because we did use quite a bit of powder. And at this point in the video, I thought I lost the sponge. There you go, right next to me. Thanks, best friend. So now here's the part where we're going to just spruce up the face a little bit. We're not highlighting the cheeks, we're only going to highlight the center of the face just to draw attention and give that soft and nice look to it, and it makes you look a little bit more youthful. I think adding highlight to the cheeks during soft glam can sometimes take it up a notch, and I like my soft glam really soft. Another thing about my soft glam is I like for it to look effortless, like it only took me 20 minutes, which in reality, if I wasn't doing the video, it would have took me 20 minutes. And I'm just going to go in and run one of the brown shades underneath my lash line, just to give it a cohesive look. And this is the part of the makeup where, you know, you got to start putting everything together. So I'm going to draw my beauty marks back on my face. Yeah, I got one in the middle of my forehead. And I'm just going to do one more spray just to set everything in. Add in mascara. You want to spray before you add your mascara because you don't want it to be running down your face. I'm using Maybelline's Big Shot Mascara. And then we're going to move on to my lips, and I'm going to use Colourpop BFF 4 lip liner and Maybelline's Matte Ink in the driver. And then you're going to see me going in and trying to fix it in a little bit. I kept adding more. I don't know if it was getting old, what was going on with it, but I had just bought it from the store and it was unopened. So, don't know what that was about. It wasn't working for me, so you're going to see me trying to make it work. Yeah, I was like, I don't like it. So I went and got my Maybelline lip gloss in Prismatic. It's a shine top coat. And I added that on there, and I actually like that a lot more because it went better with my outfit that night. You'll see that in the end. It comes all the way together. But that is all for my soft glam. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe.